Hi guys, the weather was better today, so we went outside with our RC cars.
Start.
Let's start with some bashing. The Challenger is relatively fast and needs a smooth surface to run. It's astonishing to see what a TB6612 FNG motor driver can do. This thing has almost too much power to control. That's the result of a high-speed wall crash. Everyone likes the new transmitter. I think I will have to build more of them. Finally we have found the ideal smooth surface for high-speed runs. Looks like the servo has failed. Everything looks fine. I think the servo itself has failed. Yes, that's the desk of an RC addicted. The steering is now disassembled, ready for the servo replacement. Of course the batteries are charged with my solar charge controller. The new servo is now in place.
So that's the old SG90 servo with the step-up converter. And this is the new SG91R servo, which doesn't need a step-up converter.
Finally I have recalibrated the steering.
So that's it. Ready for the next run.
If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!